Guys, we made it!
Good.
Not Asia actually. It's India.
Nice.
Okay, we right now $3.50 such as a huge meal. Yeah, this is something for the Japanese people.
Japanese.
Japanese, yeah.
Oh, first time road. Oh, Remaho. Oh, pumpkin big.
In $3.50 kg, you know. We can help you to get some discount.
Jagaimo. Jagaimo. Jagaimo.
This is called jagaimo in a Japanese word.
Jagaimo.
निन्नी कहना नुन्नी ना कहते ना समझ रहे हो भाई.
Okay.
We are tired. It's so good.
So good.
Delhi is very cold at the moment. It's something around 20 degree. For Indian people, it's really very cold. See, I got a layers of jacket. So today I'm going to pick up one of my favorite friend. His name is Matashi. He's from Japan. So today we have a plan to explore the Delhi. So we are going to explore Asia's largest vegetable market. Late after, we are going to see the slum lifestyle, how exactly people lives in a slums area. Delhi biggest slum. After that, we have a plan to see the biggest flower in the world, Lotus Temple. So we'll go and learn about the religion called Baha'ism. After that, we gonna go to see the craziest part of the city called Chandni Chowk and Red Fort. As well as we gonna try some street food and biggest mosque of India. All of those just going to, you know, cover just in one day. I'm getting late right now. It's something around 9:30 and let's go. See you. My friend Matashi is coming right there.
Good morning.
Good morning, brother. How are you doing? Good.
I'm fine.
How's weather in Delhi?
Very fine.
Excited for the tour?
Tour exciting.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, this is the winter time in Delhi. So we both got, you know, layers of jacket.
Jacket.
And see,
Brother jacket.
yeah. See, our tuk-tuks also have like this to cover, so you know wind doesn't comes. Look at this. This is also polythene that also help, you know, passenger. This is how much Indian people do care about their passengers. So if you are coming to Delhi, if you are coming to India, you must try tuk-tuk.
Uber. Morning Uber.
On
Okay.
Uber. You know guys, we can also book a tuk-tuk on Uber app. It's cheaper, faster, easier. It's called Indian helicopter.
Woo! Hey,
We're gonna go to the spice, not the spice. We're gonna go the Asia's largest vegetable market.
Good
Yeah.
market.
Yeah, it will take something around 30 minutes for us to reach there. And yeah, we are like quite excited to buy lots of vegetable. We don't cook, so we don't buy. Okay, guys.
To get that good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, finally we have reached to the Asia's largest vegetable market.
Market.
And one of the hardest part to crossing road. See, there's a traffic light, but it's not working at all. See, traffic light is not working.
See. Okay.
So let's see how we gonna make it.
Crossing.
Guys, this market get active very early morning around 5:30. So lots of suppliers come from every part of India to sell their vegetables. So we are the one who also came here to explore this market. And all the vegetables are so fresh. Believe me, if you come to this area, you're gonna, oh my god, it's like this.
Wow! First time road. Very good. Good. Orange.
Orange, yes, orange.
Orange. Wow.
Papaya.
Kawaii. Look, kawaii. Look carry.
Right.
See cauliflower. Cauliflower. Very cauliflower. Okay.
Yeah.
Cauliflower. Whoa.
See, he's
Wow.
got crazy. How exactly?
Very good.
कैसे हो अंकल? बढ़िया.
Slow. Jagaimo.
This is called jagaimo in a Japanese word.
Jagaimo potato. Okay.
Jagaimo potato, yeah.
Okay.
So guys,
Okay.
most of the people they know, like, potato is from India, but it's not from India. It came from Mexico in the time of 17th century. Portuguese are the one who brought this one. And right now 70% of the population they are dependent on the jagaimo.
Jagaimo.
250 का बोरा आलू,
अंकल कितने का बेचते हो आलू?
250 का बोरा 250.
So 250 का बोरा means $3. In $3 you can purchase 50 kg of jagaimo, actually potato.
Jagaimo head. Okay. Jagaimo.
So see, this is the how much people work and make this kind of thing.
How much?
Yeah.
How much I want?
So his name is Mehboob. He's coming from Uttar Pradesh. UP. आप कहाँ से हो? यूपी में.
यूपी गाजियाबाद दादरी.
गाजियाबाद दादरी. कितना टाइम लगता है यहाँ से वहाँ आने में सर?
1 घंटा.
It's take about 1 hour. कितने बजे आते हो सुबह?
हम तो रहते हैं मंडी में.
Okay, so he stay here for a long time and sell each and everything. He's the biggest supplier.
जी.
If you are looking for a potato in India, must come and contact this guy.
जी.
In $3, 50 kg, We can help you to get some discounts, okay?
जगाएमो.
If you come,
Jagaimo.
just tell Jagaimo.
Jagaimo.
People give you discount, okay? Brother, what do you call this in a...
Shoga. Okay. Repeat after me. Shoga. Okay. Nice.
Soga,
call.
right?
Nice call. Okay.
Okay, what do you call this?
Correct. Kabocha. Okay. Good. Kabocha.
भाई आप लोग कबोटा बोल दो एक बार. आप लोग कबोटा बोल दो इसमें.
Jagaim. Kabocha. Shoga. Okay.
आजा ठीक है.
Kabocha. Nice.
What do you call this one?
Ninji.
It's called ninji. See how big the ninji is.
Ninji.
Can you see that?
Ninji. Call. Repeat after me. Ninji. Okay. Ninji.
और ये this butter.
What do you call that?
Soramame.
शोराबा.
Soramame.
Nasubi.
It's
Okay.
a eggplant.
Nasubi.
Nasmi. In a Japanese, in Hindi, we say, what do you call this? Lemon. How fresh lemon is? Can you see this?
Lemon.
Lemon, yeah?
Lemon.
Okay, Japanese lemon. Right.
Lemon.
कैसे हो अंकल? आ रही बिक्री वगैरह हो रही है? भाई देखो बहुत आराम से फरमा रहे हैं. आई थिंक रात के आए हुए हैं. This guy came here, from the night, drive a lot of. Hello guys. In this market, each and everything has a dedicated for something particular specialty. So we are going to see all the garlic. Everyone just selling garlic over here. What do you call in Japan?
What?
It's a garlic.
Garlic. Ninniku. Okay, ninniku.
In
Japanese.
Hindi,
called
we say
ninniku.
lasun. Okay. So that.
Whoa! Japanese called ninniku. Garlic.
See, everyone selling the same product. All people are selling just a garlic. See, My friend wanted to how exactly this thing, you know what people are doing. So he's learning. This guy, he's teaching them. This guy also. See, can you show them?
Garlic smell, garlic smell, ninik smell. Japanese
smell,
call
see.
ninik. Repeat after me, ninik.
जापानी में कहते हैं इसे निन्नी क्यों? निन्नी क्या है ना, नुन्नी ना कहते हैं, तो समझ रहे हो भाई?
Okay, ninik.
समझ रहे हो कि नहीं? Okay, we have explored the lane of garlic. Right now we gonna explore the lane of lemons. Each and every one just sell just lemons. Let's go.
Let's go.
What do you call lemon in a Japanese?
Japanese?
Yes.
Ikuzo. Ikuzo. Ikuzo.
By the way, also.
Okay, ikuzo. Okay, nice boy. Whoa, lemon, many lemon. Wow, good.
Yes. Let's keep walking.
Okay.
See more.
Keep lemon.
Lemon. See,
Lemon.
Yeah.
Good.
See.
Lemon.
See the quality of the product, how exactly this one looks like, and how exactly this
Lemon.
is.
Interesting.
Let's go to see that lemon. Yeah. See.
Wow. Many lemon. このだけが怖い。Look, carefully. Oh, hello. Hello. Wow, very nice. Japanese called nasubi, okay? Japanese satsumaimo.
What's called?
Japanese name satsumaimo, okay?
Tasmaimo.
Satsumaimo. Okay, good. Satsumaimo. Shoga satsumaimo.
Yes.
Whoa.
Let me show you all the capsiums. See.
Capsicum.
What do you call this in
Japanese
Japan?
name Pima.
What do you call Kima? Pima.
Oh yeah, Pima.
This guy is a seller of Pima.
Island world corner.
He's from Japan.
Japan Pima.
I would like to, introduce one of a guy. He's from Afghanistan and selling the capsium from Thailand in India. Say hello.
200 kg.
Yeah, so he sell this capsium in a 200 rupee. It's like $2 in a 1 kilogram. If you are tourist, 500, okay?
200.
200 for the tourist too. Good.
तो कह रहे हैं मैं from Afghanistan ये West Indies.
West Indies. Okay.
That's what I said. Thailand.
Thailand, right. So all the capsium come from a Thailand,
कैप्सिकम कहाँ की है?
which भाई ये इंडिया की है ना, झूठ बोल रहे हैं ना?
नहीं
सच में? अच्छा. What we are going to see next? Pumpkin. The lane of pumpkin. We're gonna see just pumpkin, and pumpkin.
Okay.
Excited?
Okay.
Let's go. Show them the pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Yes. What do you call in a Japanese?
Kabocha.
Kabocha. Let's go to see the kabocha.
Big master. Oh, pumpkin big, heavy. Pumpkin head. Okay. Big pumpkin. Whoa. Big pumpkin. So good. Big pumpkin. Many pumpkin. Many kabocha. Many pumpkin. Wow, good.
What's your name? क्या नाम है आपका?
गुलफान
गुलफान. आपका? 7 क्या करते हो भाई?
टीया लगा
केला लगाते हो? अबे भाई क्या बोल रहा है? टिया लगाते हैं. Like they are the people who come and help their father late after they go for a school and all. आप स्कूल जाते हो? Yes, everyone go to the school. कैसा लगता है यहाँ रह के? It's so cool place. Everyone love this place. अंकल आपका नाम क्या है? मोहन. मोहन. Tuli Tuli. Okay, he's like a coolie, you know. So everyone has little bit to do something, and it's cool, yeah. चलो सामान भाई ख्याल रखो हाँ. Okay. Right now we're gonna explore the lane of onion. What do you call in a Japanese?
Tamanegi.
Kamanegi. Okay, so we're gonna explore so many kamanegi. In Hindi we say pyaz. So this entire people right in this lane, each and everyone just sell one single thing. Kamanegi, pyaz,
Tamanegi, okay.
onion. Okay guys, let's see it.
Wow. Jagaimo.
Yes, yes.
Tamanegi.
सही वीडियो बना भाई.
Tamanegi. Wow, nice. Nice
कैसे हो
jagaimo.
भाईजान? बढ़िया.
Nice jagaimo. Okay.
Yes.
Whoa, little. Small tamanegi. Small tamanegi. Okay, jagaimo. Whoa, many jagaimo.
Right now the next lane is only for the potato. And you know my friend Matasi already has gone on the track and dealing with some of the people. He became a wholesaler. Okay, right now. Let me show you.
Whoa. Jagaimo ka. Many jagaimo. Okay. Jagaimo ka. Okay.
जगाइमो कहते हैं
Good.
इसको आलू को.
Jagaimo ka.
कैसे सर?
Japanese name jagaimo. Okay. Jagaimo.
He is very busy with the meeting, you know, getting some good deal.
Jagaimo.
We are going to explore next market, fruit market. Over there you can see just different kind of fruits like papaya, apple, guava. Onion is not a. Oh yeah, onion is not a fruit. It's a vegetable.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You can show, okay?
Whoa, beautiful color. Orange. Apple. Orange apple. Okay.
Right.
लो और बताइए. ये वीडियो बना रहे हो? हेलो. कौन सा चैनल?
Good.
आपका? मोहम्मद मीन. आप क्या बेचते हैं? कुरैशी. आप क्या बेचते हैं सर? Okay, so if you are guys looking for a papaya, chiku and guava, apple, any kind of thing, must contact this guy. He's a right person in a reasonable price. Okay. Jagaimo, what would you like to say?
Jagaimo. Japanese name Jagaimo. Okay.
This is not potato.
Potato.
No, this is different fruits. Yeah.
Jagaimo. Okay, good. Jagaimo.
It's so much, right?
Wow. Many.
Right. किनका? अंकल का? आपका ही बना ले रहा हूँ मैं.
Banana. Okay, good. Nice banana. Banana video. Banana. Okay, nice.
It's a 50 rupee for a 12 bananas.
Banana orange. Nice.
Okay, uncle. Okay, guys, if you are looking for a banana, you must come over here, see the size and each and everything. So, he's saying for a 12 of bananas, must contact this guy. Must.
Nice.
Like, okay. You can
Nice,
take it.
nice. Nice banana, nice banana. Okay, good.
If you are traveling in Delhi and feeling hungry, must try coconut.
Heavy, great coconut.
Great coconut.
Great coconut. Okay, good.
It cost you just 80 cents. And you know, it gives you the power of 3 energy bottles. It's good. What do you call it in Japanese?
Coconut.
In
It's a
Japan,
coconut.
Okay, coconut, just a coconut.
Good.
Finally, guys, as like a promise, we are heading toward the biggest flower of the world. It's called Lotus Temple, just right there. Sodam,
Lotus Temple. Okay.
right
Lotus
there.
Temple. See.
Lotus Temple built by the different religion in India. It's called Baha'ism. This religion believes in unity. This religion believes in a unity. They love to welcome everyone from any nationality, from any communities, from any part of the world. Anyone can come and see this beautiful monument. We are also going for that.
Lotus Temple.
Lotus
Welcome
Temple.
to Lotus Temple.
Right.
Okay.
Guys, whenever you want to go inside of the Lotus Temple, you need to take off your shoes. Socks is fine, you can wear it, not an issue. So we're gonna remove our shoes right now. So we get like these bags, which you can see right over there, lots of bags. It's totally free. People has to pay nothing for that. It's interesting to visit. Let's go.
Let's go. Good.
Take off your shoes.
Back. Back shoes. Oh, shoes.
No, I like that.
Shoes.
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Finally, we take off our shoes and we have, put inside of this lovely bag. And this is the section where you can see, deposit your shoes. Let me show that. I think. So guys, it has a very long queue. More than 100 people are standing. 100. Yes.
Okay.
So inside, when you go, there is no photographies allowed. And make sure whenever you come, keep your phone in a silent mode to respect the people and their faith. So I'm just going to turn off my camera and recording each and everything, so I cannot show you guys. Bye bye. If you wanna see exactly how this one looks from inside, you must have to come to this place and Lotus Temple was very crowded. Every day more than 250,000 people, they come each and every single day. And how was that?
日本語で喋らせていただくんですけれども、ロータステンプル、ここは本当に祈りの場所で、先ほどタブレッチと一緒に祈らせていただいたんですけど、とにかく美声ですね。すごい歌声で祈りを歌っていただいて、ものすごく心が豊かになりました。本当にいい場所です。皆さんもどうぞ Welcome.
I didn't understand even a single word, but yeah, this is something for the Japanese people.
Japanese,
konnichiwa. Why? Indian roads are very bumpy, so I think, yeah, Indian roads are very bumpy. It's like boom.
Go.
Right. Guys, right now we are going to visit slum areas, and we are going to visit the Delhi biggest slum, and we are going to see the Guys, right now we are going to visit the slum and see the different lifestyle of the people, how exactly people live in that areas and all. We might not allow to take pictures and all over there because you know, we respect their privacies, and so we cannot take photos and all. I might not able to make any videos or photos with that. So yeah, we are ready.
Slum, let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Guys, finally we have been to the slum. Come to this side, brother. Yeah. And how was the slum?
スラム街は、最初ちょっと、タブレットに行こうと言われて行ってちょっと怖かったんですけども、もう皆さんすごく優しい方たちばかりで、もうちょっとちょっと異世界感はすごくあったんですけど、ものすごく満喫できました。すごいいい体験になりました。 Thank you, Tablet.
Most welcome.
Thank you.
This video is not for any other people. Only Japanese can understand. You must have to learn the language of Japan. Got it?
Got it, yeah.
After exploring a lot of things, believe me, we were very hungry, and then we decided to eat something, and finally we decided to try Indian Burger King. This Burger King, it's called BK Burger King. This is not a Burger King, okay? Ooh, how's the taste? Yeah. And this all meal, it cost $3.50 for the European people. Can you imagine? $3.50 is nothing. So they give you the huge Coca-Cola, nice burger. I like to have vegetarian food, so that's the reason it's a veg. One of the very nice ice cream. So all of the burger. While traveling to India, must try this. You would love that. Yeah. $3.50, such a huge meal. Being a European, for you is nothing, bro.
Hey.
Okay, right now we are heading toward
Okay.
India's largest mosque, and we are going to see the pano view of the city, how exactly this one is going to be. And we're gonna walk something around, not walk, man, we're gonna take we are going via metro. Okay, it will take 40 minutes, 40 cents for each person. So we're gonna spend just $1 and reaching almost 40-minute destination. Metro. Come here.
Stand away from the doors to allow passengers.
How was that? Japanese
walking.
How?
Japanese walking. You.
Yeah.
You walking. Good?
Right. Yeah. Finally, guys, metro ride is done. It's taken something around 35 minutes, 44 seconds. Very sharp, you know. So we are heading toward biggest mosque of India, Jama Masjid.
Long train.
Long train, yeah.
Train.
Anytime if you are coming to this area, make sure you're belonging, because there's a lots of bad people are living, like pickpockets. They can take your phone just in a second, even you don't realize. So make sure while coming to here. Okay.
Very crowd. Very crowd. Very crowd. Oh. Wow.
Guys, right now we are standing Asia's not Asia actually. It's India.
Nice.
Okay, right now we are standing in India's largest mosque. It's called Jama Mosque. It's a built in the time of 1656, built by one of the most famous guy on the planet named Shah Jahan. So we're gonna go and explore this entire area, as well as we have a plan to go on the top of the minaret. Usko dikhana bhai. So this mosque is for Indian people, is totally free, but for foreigners you have to pay 400 rupee. For Indian people, if you want to go on the top of the minarets, you must have to pay 100 rupee. Okay, so let's go and explore those areas. If you come to this area, you will see so many Indian families. They love to take a picture with you guys, and people are very nice, very kind. Awesome. He's a very popular guy in India now, and he's taking so many pictures. You know, many Indian people are coming and making the picture with him. One other guy.
Okay.
Let's take a pose. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
So right now we are going to the top of this minaret. Can you see that? Yes. So let's go there. Excited?
Top climb?
Yes, yes.
Whoa, exciting.
It's so big. It has
Whoa, whoa,
130 steps to go on the top of that. I don't have that much energy to go there because I have been multiple times there, but believe me, all the time it looks so cool.
Top,
I love
top.
that place. Top, top, top.
Top.
Let's go.
Climb.
Yes.
Master climb.
Yes, yes. Let's go. So see, guys, how from the top this area looks like. It's good.
Good.
It's good, good.
Top.
Still we are not, you know.
Nice.
Still we have to climb a lot.
Bad. Pew, 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 pew.
You know, one of the funny part, if you are
Okay.
fat, you cannot climb on the top.
Good,
Because
good.
it has a very
Muscle
very
leg.
narrow lane to go inside. At one time only one person can go. So we are fit and fine. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
You okay?
Okay.
This area has one of the very crazy lights which is like boom, boom, boom.
Muscle leg. Good.
So finally we came on the second floor.
Go.
And it's cool, man. It's so crazy. See how
Whoa.
the dome is so close to me. See how it looks like.
Whoa.
Again,
Whoa.
we need to walk.
Whoa.
Say welcome.
Okay, welcome.
Say welcome from there.
Go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go climb. Okay. Climb. Muscle leg climb.
So me.
Okay.
Guys.
Come on.
Crazy.
Oh.
This is like a massive cave, man.
Good.
Oh my god.
I am tired. Let's go. Muscle leg, let's go. Good.
I'm crazy. I afraid from the heights, you know. But
Tired.
Guys.
Long. Ooh. よいしょ。よっこらせ。よいしょ。
you okay?
Okay.
See the size of the stairs. At one time, one person can go. Little window. See the city.
Okay.
Brother, where you are?
Okay.
Oh my god.
See.
But this is so good,
Topsy.
man. You must try if you are coming to the way. Yeah.
Good,
Guys,
good.
we made it!
Good. You're top alive. Yes. Big yes.
You wanna go out? Okay.
I'm tired.
We are tired. It's so good.
So good.
See guys, how the city looks like. Did you like it?
Okay. Whoa!
Entire city is such a crazy place. I have prayed lots of from heights, man. See the Jama Mosque, the people. Guys, we are sitting down almost like 40-meter high, and believe me, I am afraid from the heights. But I made it. I don't like heights anymore. Do you like heights?
Very, very high. Very, very high. Demo, but I like top person. Good.
Good. If you are coming to Delhi, planning to Delhi, must come and see the beauty of this place. If you want to explore like locals, how exactly the city works, most welcome on my tour. Welcome,
Welcome.
guys. Welcome to India.
Welcome to India.
Now we are the craziest part of the city. It's called Chandni Chowk. See, he's my brother, and we got stuck in a traffic. And believe me, guys, if you're gonna stuck here, you cannot go. So we are like from 15 minutes in the tuk-tuk. Still, we can't move. So,
Young brother.
young brother.
Brother.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do you wanna know how India sounds like?
Whoa.
This is how India sounds like. Guys, we are right now in Chandni Chowk. It's very, very crowded, and we are trying one of the very popular dish. It's called jalebi. How's the taste?
Very, very nice. Very good. So good.
If you wanna see something most interesting and try something most interesting, travel with us. You must. After the jalebi, we gonna see the magnificent Red Fort.
Woo! Good. Yeah.
Red Fort is just other side of me, so because of the fog and pollution, we cannot see that much properly.
Woo! Good. Many people, many tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk, right?
Let's go.
So guys, this is the Red Fort. So see this, built in the time of 1648. On the top you can see a flag. It's always being as a symbol of power. If you are hosting a flag over there, it means you are the real king of the country. So if you come after 10 years, you will find our flag there.
Good.
जिंदगी हो तो शाहजहां जैसी, जहां जाओ वहीं महल बना दो। ये महल भी शाहजहां ने ही बनवाया था। पता है बहुत सारे इतिहासकार शाहजहां को बदनाम करते हैं, बट हिस्ट्री कुछ और ही है। भाई शाहजहां वो बंदा था पूरी दुनिया में सबसे अमीर इंसान, जिसने इंडिया को सोने की चिड़िया बना के दिया। उसी बंदे ने लोगों को दिखाया कि आर्किटेक्चर चीज़ क्या होती है। रियल स्टोरी आपको जानना है ना शाहजहां की, आगरा जाओ, उसकी बनाई हुई सबसे खूबसूरत इमारत देखो, जिसे कहते हैं ताजमहल, द सिंबल ऑफ लव। बिलीव मी, आप ना पागल हो जाओगे, ऐसी ब्यूटी है उस ताजमहल की। तो भाई शाहजहां था यार, क्या बात बोलूँ मैं उसकी। यस। Right now we are going to the spice market, the Asia's largest spice market.
Nice spice market.
Yeah, we have taken the pedal rickshaw. So before that we're gonna stop and have cup of tea, a best chai of old Delhi.
Very, very people. Very, very people good.
Guys, this is the best chai.
Okay. Right. Guys, we are in a chili market. And how did you like that place? How did you? My goodness! Wow. Is he cold, right? Come.
Yeah.
This market is one of the top popular places in Delhi. If being as a tourist, this is the hidden gems. If you are coming to Delhi, you must come to this place and see the real spices. You okay? You okay?
Okay.
You okay, brother? Yeah, this is like cool place. Here you can find more than 100 different types of spices.
Nice.
Oh, maybe later, okay? When you come, I'll tell you about this place, okay? See, we are in night time because
Oh, very hot, very hot. That's why.